The insurgency of blockchain guaranteed financial backers of security and privacy. They accepted this environment was adequately solid to safeguard their exchanges, guarding them. In 2018, the Tron establishment obtained the stage. Notwithstanding, one can follow a wide range of computerized traffic, even in the digital currencies like Bitcoin, through a blockchain to determine the wallet address of the transferor and transferee. Prior to beginning with a total BitTorrent cost expectation, really take a look at the coin outline as follows. Outline of BitTorrent. Route on the historical backdrop of this exceptionally solid digital currency can be followed back to the presence of a cryptographic convention. Despite the fact that, before all else, it was utilized as an extra for Bitcoin, later, it created in different stages. As a TRC10 utility token in light of the Tron blockchain, BTT powers highlights of the world's most famous decentralized conventions and applications. DApps controlled by BTT incorporate BitTorrent Speed, BitTorrent Document Framework, DLive, and others ready to go. It involves the BitTorrent convention for sharing and moving, and BitTorrent was the biggest document sharing convention in 2019. The Tron network involves assigned evidence of stake convention for security. BitTorrent, the striking elements, upheld by a vigorous and high data transfer capacity public blockchain stage. BitTorrent has tended to the openness issues of setting up a half-breed agreement instrument. BTT depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message to the next party engaged with the exchange. Subsequently, security obstructions are captured first. The credit goes to the improvement of the Zero Convention by BTT, which is the standard of the whole decentralized finance biological system, which is one more send-off in the contribution. BTT is a convention for P2P document trade, and its entry to the crypto business appears to have helped power and ease of use among numerous stages. A remarkable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the BTT organization. This noticeable pattern makes it extraordinary contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Thus, it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of BTT tokens as impetuses in carrying out shrewd agreements and move reserves. The value journey of BTT has been fashioned with shocks combined with exciting bends in the road. Right now, BitTorrent cost is exchanging around $0, a flowing stockpile of 932,028. 89B and the complete inventory of 990,000,000,000,000,000 BTT. The market capitalization of BitTorrent is $994,973,244 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $52,686,637. What's to come appears to be brilliant for BTT according to specialists' specialized investigation, since it is a result of ongoing decentralized blockchain development. The unsurpassed excessive cost for the BTT is around $0. The ongoing cost variances show that there are blended feelings. The MACD line is exchanging about the sine line, demonstrating forward movement, though the RSI is at 36, demonstrating negative energy. Right now, the coin is exchanging the oversold zone and with very low instability, as shown by Bollinger Groups. How about we investigate BTT cost expectations from the market specialists? To know the ideal opportunity to contribute, the BitTorrent cost is gauged to reach $0 the start of December 2025. The normal greatest cost is $0, and the base cost is $0. The BitTorrent cost expectation for the finish of 2025 may be around $0. Because of Justin Sun, BTT has a promising future according to the BitTorrent expectation. According to BTT cost expectation 2030, the symbolic cost might get possibly affected. However, bulls will be back, and its cost might skyrocket to $0, making financial backers purchase BitTorrent. According to the Estimate Information Examination, the cost of BTT is supposed to cross the degree of $0. Before the year's over, BitTorrent is supposed to arrive at the very least charge of $0. Likewise, the BTT cost is fit for getting a most extreme degree of $0. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know these BitTorrent Value Forecast 2022. It will require some investment, an extended client base, and positive feelings before BitTorrent costs beat from now on. Its contribution in different courageous tasks like BitTorrent Web, BitTorrent Exemplary, and Bittorrent Android could guarantee its typical cost keeps up the force according to industry specialists' principal and specialized examination. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2023. Going by BitTorrent cost expectation and the investigation of cost patterns, BTT has been wandering from its way typically every 2 or 3 years. So as we advance, almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for BitTorrent for heightened, particularly with rivals finding the intensity. According to Bittorrent Coin Cost Forecast 2023, the future cost of BitTorrent causing a slight value drop to $0 the principal half. From that point onward, it could recapture its force and raised a ruckus around town level of $0. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2024, yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls might ride the crypto market. It is normal that BitTorrent will at long last sparkle in the crypto realm with a presentation of BitTorrent cost fixed at $0. This is comparable to the equivalent displayed in BitTorrent cost expectations toward the year's end 2023. Which shows BTT can possibly support and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. BitTorrent Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the venture BitTorrent endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets number. This sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. One, BTT keeps on unbelievable assumptions and is supposed to have an extraordinary beginning in 2025. Two, markets stay positive, pushing the typical cost flood essentially upwards to $0, a base cost of $0, making it a productive venture resource for exchange according to our BitTorrent cost expectation. BitTorrent Value Forecast 2026 and then some. BTT gauge for 2026 has begun drifting towards hopefulness as opposed to cynicism. The BitTorrent cost expectation for this entire year remains very reassuring, expressing that it could leap to the greatest value level of $0. The base cost of $0 normal following 5 years, with the market being totally capricious. Gauging the BTT digital money cost is truly to a greater extent a bet in karma as opposed to an information-driven estimate. BitTorrent BTT value forecasts can be precarious. According to BTT Cost Forecast 2030, the normal BitTorrent cost to reach $0 and normal most extreme cost to hit $0. There is an anticipated possibility of the likelihood that the BTT cost could hit a low of $0. BTT token decision. Is BTT a wise venture for what's in store? BitTorrent forecasts by specialists anticipate that the coin's cost can be $0 December 2022. Our calculation-based examination projects that the BitTorrent token cost could ascend to $0 2023, $0 2024, and $0 the finish of 2025. But the developing trust in BTT tokens among additional financial backers in the crypto market, long-haul financial backers can anticipate critical development in 5 years. Is BitTorrent a wise speculation? No, as indicated by BitTorrent token cost forecast, it is a truly wise venture. The BitTorrent digital currency may not thrive for the time being. It is gauged to arrive at a normal of $0 2024, settling on BitTorrent a typical speculation decision. The above expectation turns out as expected provided that BTT shows a hopeful situation. Will BitTorrent coin reach $1 in 2025? According to our BTT cost expectation, the typical BitTorrent cost is determined to reach up to $0. With a normal most extreme cost to hit $0 the finish of 2025. According to the new cost pattern, the BTT token probably won't have the option to hit $1 by 2025.